Paano ba to when you feel lost in your career and everyone else seems ahead?
And you know that question, 12 years ago, tinatanong na yan, until now, dinidiem pa rin to paano ba to? I think it's so human to compare ourselves to like where others are, whether from school na parang yung iba mong batchmates, puro may trabaho na, ako naghaharap pa rin, or in our 30s, puro may asawa na yung mga kaibigan ko, ako wala pa rin. Or in your career, like, nakaumos na yung iba, nagta-travel yung iba, may luxuries yung iba, ako wala pa rin. It's so,
It's human to think that way.
sobra. But if there's anything that has also showed up in all the interviews I've done through the years, it's that we all have our own time to bloom. Hindi natin masasabi yung kung kailan yon, but it's also not just up to the universe. Kailangan nagpa-plant ka din ng seeds.
Yes.
And
Hindi
then
yung
when
pwedeng
the time
tatamad-tamad
comes,
din.
Yes. So, mahirap to not look at others, but siguro a perspective that could help, and this one I got this from Direk Kathy Garcia. Work ka lang ng work, work ka lang ng work, and then one day you look up and you look back. Alay na pala ng narating ko. Ang dami ko na palang na-improve as a person.
If you guys want to watch the full episode, just check us out on Spotify and my YouTube channel.